Let's pull back the curtain on a revolution happening behind the scenes of every delivery van and work truck you see. Managing a fleet is a massive, complicated puzzle. Dozens or thousands of vehicles, each with its own needs and risks. For years, this meant paperwork mountains and endless guesswork. Now, AI is the fleet manager's secret weapon. AI Fleet Management connects smart software to every vehicle, pulling in real-time data, engine health, fuel use, even seatbelt clicks. It analyzes everything instantly, spotting patterns and predicting problems before they happen. Think of it as a super assistant, always alert, always optimizing. This isn't just tracking trucks on a map, it's understanding the health of the whole operation, from bolts to budgets. In a world where time and fuel are money, AI gives businesses a crucial edge. It turns guesswork into hard data, helping companies get more from their vehicles, people, and budgets. This isn't sci-fi. It's a practical tool already making a difference for hard-working people. AI is transforming the toughest jobs into smarter, more efficient ones. The future of fleet management is here, and it's powered by intelligence, not just engines. By 2027, the fleet manager's office is a digital command center. AI platforms connect to every vehicle, gathering and interpreting mountains of data. They don't just show information, they recommend actions, like flagging excessive idling or suggesting better routes. Modern trucks are computers on wheels, packed with sensors tracking everything from oil life to cargo door openings. AI processes all this data in the cloud, spotting trends and opportunities no human could catch alone. Routine checks and number crunching are automated, freeing managers to focus on strategy and growth. The result? Faster decisions, fewer mistakes, and a fleet that runs smoother than ever. AI isn't replacing people, it's giving them superpowers. The digital co-pilot never sleeps and is always looking for ways to improve. Paperwork used to eat up half a fleet manager's week. Forms, reports, endless spreadsheets. By 2027, AI-driven platforms have declared war on this busy work, and they're winning. Data collection and reporting are automated. A simple query brings instant answers. Want to know which vehicles idled most this month, or which trucks need oil changes soon? Just ask. AI slashes administrative time by 40% or more, giving managers nearly a full day back each week. That's time for coaching drivers, optimizing routes, and actually managing the fleet. For companies like Centimark, what once took hours now takes minutes. Fast, accurate information means problems are spotted and solved before they become costly. AI makes businesses more agile and responsive. Less time in the weeds, more time steering the ship. The result? A leaner, more profitable operation. AI turns data overload into actionable insight. The paperwork grind is over. Fleet managers can finally focus on what matters. Fuel is a fleet's biggest wildcard. Costs can spike overnight. Old advice was simple: drive less, drive smoother. But enforcing that across a fleet, nearly impossible. AI changes the game, acting as a fuel efficiency coach for every vehicle. It analyzes driving behavior, acceleration, braking, speeding, idling, and flags waste instantly. Managers get clear reports and actionable recommendations, not just vague advice. AI can say, Driver 7 idled 45 minutes Tuesday, or Vehicle 12 speeds on the M25. It also optimizes routes in real time, learning the best paths for every hour of the day. Even small improvements add up, saving thousands, even hundreds of thousands, across a large fleet. AI gives businesses control over one of their most unpredictable costs. It's not about surveillance, it's about empowering every driver to save fuel. The result? A leaner, greener, and more cost-effective fleet. Every drop of fuel counts, and AI makes sure none go to waste. The worst call for any fleet manager? A truck broken down, deliveries missed, chaos unleashed. Traditional maintenance was guesswork. Change oil every 5,000 miles, hope for the best. AI brings predictive maintenance. It listens to every sensor, every second, Subtle changes in engine temperature or battery charge? The AI spots them before humans ever could. It predicts failures before they happen, sending alerts like, alternator on vehicle 304 may fail in 2 weeks. Repairs are scheduled at convenient times, not in roadside emergencies. This proactive approach slashes unplanned downtime, the biggest killer of productivity. Some systems even auto-schedule service at the nearest bay. The result: healthier vehicles, fewer breakdowns, and a safer, more reliable fleet. Predictive maintenance is smarter, cheaper, and keeps the wheels turning. AI turns maintenance from a headache into a strategic advantage. The future is fixing problems before they ever hit the road. Let's see AI in action with Ford Pro AI and Cenimark, a major U.S. contractor with over 2,000 vehicles. Every truck is a mobile workshop. Keeping them running is mission critical. In 2026, Ford rolled out its AI assistant, built into their telematics software, at no extra cost. For fleet manager Mackenzie Mice, AI transformed her workflow. Hours of data gathering became minutes. She could instantly see fleet health, fuel use, or maintenance needs with a simple command. No more waiting for drivers to report issues. The AI flagged them instantly. This isn't just for giants. Plumbers, electricians, and any business with vehicles can benefit. Ford Pro AI turns millions of data points into clear, actionable insights. For Cenimark, that means less admin, more uptime, and crews getting to job sites on time. Real-world AI is about making tough jobs easier and businesses more competitive. All this AI magic needs serious computing muscle. Enter NVIDIA's Vera Rubin platform, a supercomputer built for the toughest AI jobs. Companies like Enscale are deploying over 100,000 GPUs in Europe, powering AI for fleets everywhere. When a manager asks the AI a question, Vera Rubin processes it in the cloud and delivers answers in seconds. This infrastructure is the backbone of smarter, faster fleet management. With this power, AI services are growing fast, serving thousands of businesses, big and small. The future of logistics is built on this invisible, unstoppable engine. Want to see predictive maintenance at its most extreme? Look at the US Navy. Gecko Robotics uses wall-climbing robots and AI to inspect warships, gathering 100x more data than humans. Their AI analyzes this data, mapping ship health and predicting failures before they happen. The Navy aims to boost fleet readiness from the mid-60s to 80% by 2027. In industry, Gecko's platform has already saved clients over $500 million in downtime. The lesson: if AI can predict failures on billion-dollar warships, it can keep your delivery vans running too. Predictive AI moves fleets from reactive repairs to proactive reliability, saving money and boosting performance. So, what's the bottom line? For any business relying on vehicles, AI is about saving money and keeping wheels turning. It replaces guesswork with data-driven certainty, making companies more resilient and profitable. Let's recap. AI slashes admin time, cuts fuel costs, and turns maintenance into a proactive process. These aren't future promises, they're reality in 2027. Accessible to businesses of any size, AI levels the playing field, giving small companies tools once reserved for giants. Our economy runs on delivery and service fleets. AI keeps them reliable and affordable. From doorstep packages to emergency repairs, smarter fleet management strengthens the backbone of commerce. This is more than technology. It's about empowering real people to do their jobs better. AI keeps the wheels of business turning, one smart, efficient vehicle at a time. The revolution is here, and it's driving us all forward.